Oh yeah, mate. Welcome back to Ozzy Bakes. This is a very special episode of Ozzy Bakes. Today, not only am I under the influence of marijuana, but also we also have a special guest on the show. His name's Pandejo. He hails from Mexico.
What's up, homies?
Right,
Honestly, down in Mexico, it's really different, you know.
Pandejo, however the fuck you say your name.
No, down in Mexico.
Shut the fuck up, it's fucking.
You know what's like down in Mexico? We made that good quesadillas. We're gonna make some good quesadillas today, and you're gonna see, homies. Alright, what? Hey, homie, we'll get to it then. Take the lead, bro.
Alright, my name is Ozzy Bakes, and today I am making a quesadilla.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright, so first of all, when you're filming a quesadilla, get the fuck over here. You need a frying pan, yeah? Alright, and then you go like this, and then you go like
That's
this.
the wrong one, homie.
Notice. Are you
No, wait, no,
retarded?
that is right. No, it's too tiny. We need to use this one.
Oh, you fucking bitch. You fucking bitch. Forgetting to...
Okay, we need to reheat the
So
chicken.
as we let the pan get hot, mate, or we gotta wait for a second, alright? So we have a short intermission by this Pandejo.
Yeah, homie.
Good. I mean, are you good, or
Look at that toaster though.
Sorry, it's pretty fucking hot now. I'm gonna have to admit.
Yeah, it's pretty
Now
hot.
what you do is take it.
Now we had the olive oil.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Whoa, sorry, bro. Didn't mean to kill your vibe.
So we got the oil on the pan, yeah? Fuck, can you pick that up, you useless
Oh,
piece of
yeah,
shit?
homie.
So, pro tip, always lather your entire pan in oil. Learn that the hard way. Don't ask. What the okay. So today, we are making quesadillas, okay? Did I already say that?
Okay.
We need, so first of all, to make a quesadilla is quite simple. You take a tortilla, and then you open the tortilla, not with your hands, I don't recommend that at all. But what you need, again, I ain't bring your bowl. Oh, you fucking penis, holy shit.
This man's a fucking retard.
Okay, buddy,
Don't cut yourself, ET.
yeah, see,
Because I moved away.
Let me get it. That is what you call Mexican strength.
Mexican strength.
my name is Levi Fair. I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Your name's Ozzy Bakes.
My name's Ozzy Bakes, actually. Don't believe a word I just said. My name's Ozzy Bakes. I hail from Sydney, Australia. Every single day of the week,
You're not close to the camera, man.
I would.
Fuck off. Nobody asked. I got that on video. Hold on.
The oil's hot. We got a fucking tortilla.
And the chicken's out too now. We put the chicken in the microwave.
Shut the fuck up.
Bro, you're like a master.
I'm a master chef, bro. What are you talking about?
No, not you, Kobe. He's a good.
A master
cameraman.
photographer.
Because he watches a lot of films with good cinematography, maybe.
Wow, bro. You watched The Lighthouse once?
You put chicken in there.
Are you
Oh my
retarded?
God.
Oh, maybe some people don't want fucking shit in their quesadilla.
Literal human poop.
You realize it's not a fucking quesadilla. It's just cheese on it.
You fucking
No, it's not. You put shit in a quesadilla. How fucking stupid are you, ese?
Are you fucking
You know what
retarded?
we call you? You know what we call you? We call you bitches pendejos. Which is they call me too, but like, you are one too. Fucking.
Oh my fucking god. Like, fuck, anytime you do an accent, it just fucking kills me, dude, I swear.
Do the Indian one again.
Like, I do think it's one.
Dude.
No, I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
So,
It's
Racist on camera.
It's racist though. I can't do
bro,
that.
you're a native, bro. You can say it, bro. It's like the N-word.
Bro, you know how to do it.
Micah, are you gonna do it? Micah, are you gonna do the accent, bro?
No, I can't.
Bro, please, I'm
Why are you
telling
going? Why are you going?
Okay, looks good now.
Are you fucking retarded?
It was a joke. It was irony.
Jojo killed those people ironically. You don't understand.
Your Honor, I only killed those people ironically.
Anyways, back into the quesadilla.
Oh shit.
Do you know how to fucking cut something? You know, like this?
That was a joke.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're supposed to flip this boy. Ow, I fucking burned myself.
You're gonna fucking kill yourself, easy, if you don't stop.
How's it going, bro?
It's good.
My name is PewDiePie.
No, man, you're Ozzy, bro.
I don't know, man. I have split personality disorder.
Oh, shit.
Okay. This is the part where we go like this. We grab the piece and we go, that does not look well done enough. So you let that bitch simmer. Okay? You see how that works, Colby?
Of course.
Hey man, you know you're fucking retard, right? Because you don't put shit in your quesadilla.
Fuck off.
Do you know it's not
Are you
a
actually retarded?
Do you understand that that's not a traditional
Are you
quesadilla?
actually...
If it's just
How many brain cells do you have? Are you fucking retarded?
Can you actually fucking recognize that it's literally traditional quesadillas have shit in them?
Oh yeah, that's how
Literal poop.
So what? You know that picture of that guy texting his friend who's like, "Yeah, I got the weed." And he's like, "That is shit." He's like,
Look at that. We just made a
No, it's shit. He's
quesadilla.
like, "What are you talking
Shut the
about?"
fuck up for a second.
Human shit. Actual human poop. Literal
Alright,
human
I'm eating it on there. We made a quesadilla. You saw how. You also heard us being fucking retards. So this is Ozzy Bakes out.